Is your Hyundai tire pressure light stuck on even after filling your tires? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you 3 proven methods to reset that annoying TPMS light. Stick around until the end because I'll share which method works best for different Hyundai models. Let's get started. Before we reset anything, there's one critical step you cannot skip. Grab a tire pressure gauge and check all 4 tires, plus your spare if it has a sensor. Inflate them to the recommended PSI. You'll find this number on a sticker inside your driver's door or in your owner's manual. Most Hyundais need between 33 and 36 pounds per square inches. Here's a pro tip. Only check tire pressure when your tires are cold. That means your car hasn't been driven for at least 3 hours or less than 1 mile. Temperature affects pressure readings, so this matters. Once your tires are properly inflated, we can move on to the reset methods. Method 1 is the drive method, also called automatic reset. But here's the good news. This method is still the easiest. Here's what you do. After inflating your tires correctly, simply drive your Hyundai at 50 miles per hour or faster for 10 to 20 minutes. Highway driving works perfectly for this. As you drive, the TPMS sensors heat up and recalibrate themselves. The system needs consistent data at highway speeds to recognize the correct pressure. The light should turn off automatically while you're driving or the next time you start your car. This method works great for newer Hyundai models from 2015 and up, especially after tire rotations or seasonal pressure adjustments. If your light doesn't turn off after 20 minutes of highway driving, don't worry. We have 2 more methods coming up. Method 2 is the inflate-deflate method. This is more hands-on but really effective when method 1 doesn't work. First, you'll need to overinflate all your tires, including the spare if it has a sensor, by 3 to 5 pounds per square inches above the recommended pressure. So if your door sticker says 33 pounds per square inches, inflate to 36 or 38 pounds per square inches. Next, drive for a few minutes at moderate speed. This will force your Hyundai TPMS to recalibrate faster. Once the tire pressure light goes off, deflate the tires. Then reinflate each tire to the correct recommended pressure shown on your tire placard. Finally, drive your car for several minutes at normal speeds. The TPMS light should turn off as the sensors register the updated pressure readings. This method has a high success rate, especially on stubborn systems that won't reset with simple driving. Method 3 is the battery disconnect method, also called a hard reset. Use this as your last resort when the other methods fail. Here's how it works. Turn off your vehicle completely and open the hood. Using a wrench, disconnect the negative battery cable. That's the black one with the minus sign. Now turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Press and hold your horn for 3 to 5 seconds. This discharges any remaining power stored in your vehicle's electrical system. Let your car sit for about 5 minutes. Then reconnect the positive battery cable. Make sure it's tight and secure. Start your vehicle and check if the TPMS light has reset. One important warning. This method may also reset other settings like your radio presets, clock, and potentially some driver preferences. Sometimes, you'll need to reprogram those after the reset. But if nothing else works, this nuclear option usually does the trick. And there you have it. 3 proven methods to reset your Hyundai tire pressure light, plus the manual button option for older models. Remember to check your tire pressure monthly. Properly inflated tires are 3 times less likely to cause accidents. Plus, they improve your fuel economy and extend tire life.